Peace YouTube, what's up boys and girls, Invictus back. We are gonna shoot some new video. New year is just behind us. I want to wish you all happy new year and all the best in your life. It was fun night for me as well. At least I was working, but still I was celebrating. It was pretty awesome. I'm not gonna make this video really long. I'm gonna keep it short, keep it simple, because I'm pretty tired and this is not gonna be a really tough video. It's gonna be really easy to make. What I have to mention for this video, that the sponsor for this video is no one, as usual. So this video we are gonna do with a toothpick. We'll have a toothpick as a requisite for this trick. But I will try to make this toothpick inside disappear just like that. But wait, it's not over yet. We have to do something. I'm gonna catch it like this, and I'm gonna throw it and catch it with another hand, and I'll try to do this. And there goes the toothpick. Peace. Thank you all for watching. Wish you all the best. We are gonna make some new video pretty soon, probably in 2-3 days tops. And that's all. As usual, all the best from Invictus.